Okay, I will show you on how to address this particular formula, especially as an example, for how to calculate each ingredient needed in a formulation. So let me use this. Okay. Okay, so this would be the formula. Okay, we are going to prepare streptomycin sulfate syrup with 3% of streptomycin, 3% W over V, weight over volume, citric acid 1%, alcohol 10%, raspberry syrup 25%, and water QSAD 100 ml. But the question asks you to prepare only 60 ml. So how should you calculate? Okay. Okay, here you should see that streptomycin needed streptomycin sulfate needed is 3%. 3% weight over volume. It means that in each 100 ml of preparation, there should be 3 grams of streptomycin. Now you are going to prepare 60 ml. So you can directly calculate 60 ml times 3 grams over 100 ml. So you will get 1.8 gram needed for the formula to prepare 60 ml. Okay. So for the next ingredient is the citric acid. So how much citric acid is needed? According to the formula, citric acid should be 1%. So it means that 1 gram in each 100 ml. So if you need to prepare 60 ml, so it should be 60 ml times 1 gram over 100 ml, and you should get 0.6 gram. Okay, so this would be for citric acid. So for the next one is alcohol. Alcohol, 10% V over V. It means that in each 100 ml, you should have 10 ml of alcohol. So if you are going to prepare 60 ml, you would need 6 ml of alcohol. Okay, and the last, the final one is raspberry syrup. Raspberry syrup. It should, in each 100 ml, you should have 25 ml, okay, because it's 25% V over V. So if you are going to prepare 60 ml, then eventually you would need 15 ml. So after you complete the calculation, you would need to add the full formula. Okay, you will need to write the full formula. So Rx, streptomycin sulfate. So you should write in full, yeah. Streptomycin sulfate, it should be 1.8 gram. So this would be to prepare 60 ml of product. Citric acid, it should be 0.6 gram. Alcohol, 6 ml. Raspberry syrup, 15 ml, and water QSAD 60 ml. So this formula has to be written in full, okay, so that any person or anyone that will refer to your preparation worksheet later on will know how much you use each ingredient for the preparation of the product. Okay.